Taking good care of your car's engine can make it last a very long time. With the right habits, you can avoid expensive repairs and enjoy a smoother ride for many years. The first and most important thing is regular oil changes. Engine oil keeps all the parts moving smoothly and protects them from wear. Old oil becomes dirty and loses its ability to protect the engine. Follow your car manufacturer's recommendation for oil change intervals, and always use the right type of oil. Next, check and replace the air filter as needed. A clean air filter lets the engine breathe properly. When it gets clogged with dust and dirt, your engine has to work harder, which can cause damage over time. Replacing the air filter is easy and cheap, but it makes a big difference. Always keep an eye on your coolant level. The coolant keeps your engine from overheating. Without enough coolant, your engine can get too hot and suffer serious damage. Check the coolant level regularly and top it up if needed. Also, flush and replace the coolant every few years to keep the system clean. Drive gently whenever possible. Rapid acceleration, hard braking, and sudden stops put extra stress on the engine and its parts. Smooth and steady driving helps everything last longer. Let the engine warm up for a minute or two before driving on very cold mornings, so the oil can flow properly. Keep an eye on warning lights. Modern cars have sensors that tell you if something is wrong. If the check engine light or oil pressure light comes on, don't ignore it. Fixing small problems early can prevent major engine damage later. Change spark plugs and timing belts when needed. Worn-out spark plugs can make the engine run rough and waste fuel. A broken timing belt can ruin the engine completely. Follow the service schedule for these important parts to keep your engine running smoothly. Keep the engine bay clean. Dirt and debris can build up under the hood, trapping heat and causing parts to wear out faster. Wipe down the engine area gently and make sure leaves or trash don't collect near the engine or air intake. Use good quality fuel. Cheap or contaminated fuel can clog your engine and lower its performance. Stick to trusted gas stations and consider using a fuel system cleaner every once in a while to keep the injectors clean. Pay attention to unusual sounds or smells. If you hear knocking, ticking, or smell burning, get the car checked right away. These are early signs that something might be wrong. Finally, follow your car's full maintenance schedule, not just oil changes. Things like transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid also need regular attention. Keeping the whole car in good shape supports a healthy engine.